How to enable or disable camera quick tap shutter on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down to end. Here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant and you will see scroll on and showing you quick tap to shutter is here. If you want to disable quick tap to shutter, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, quick tap to shutter is turn off and disable. If you want to enable quick tap to shutter, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, quick tap to shutter is enable. You will enable or disable quick tap to shutter from here. You will enable or disable quick tap shutter from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable camera quick tap shutter on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.